So here it is, the last of my, not the last, but another, the same onion before it actually started to grow. And was also one of the paintings I did in prison with water-based oil paint. I wasn't allowed to have turp and linseed oil, naturally enough, because I guess they don't want people to set things on fire. There's a lot of noise here, by the way. But they're hanging up paintings on an exhibition here, so yeah. Anyway, I used, as I say, water-based oil paint for this. You couldn't really glaze and stuff, and but they came out pretty nice actually. I wish I did more, because I kind of gave it up in a way, the paint, because I didn't feel I had good enough light in my room and stuff like that. But when in hindsight, I actually regret it, because they did come out pretty nice. So I also made some landscapes and other drawings that I will share with you, and I call it my prison art series. If you want to hear my prison story, there's 2 files, one when I came out and one after a year, how it went, and how I fell into a lot of old habits and stuff. And now also I think I had some complex PTSD of the whole process, because I'm not a criminal. I just had a stupid hobby, rebuilding replica guns and stuff like that. So, with the police, of course, didn't like very much, but you know, that's it. Break the law and you have to pay the consequences. As Jordan Peterson say, if you keep on doing the wrong things over and over again over a long period of time, you will sooner or later wind up in prison. And if you keep doing the wrong things over and over again, at some point you won't have enough time in existence to fix it again. And then you're done. Then you're just finished. Then it's too late. And in this short blip of existence, I want to use it to something positive, both for myself and other people. I think it's very nice when I actually hear from people from all over the world that I actually inspire them to start painting again, or they get inspired by my thinking and stuff. It's like horsemen did say, you should be ashamed to die before you have won a victory for humanity. And this is my thing, I guess. This is my contribution to a better world. And it's a small one, very small, but every small positive thing brings humanity closer to our goal, which would be peace, love, and conquer the universe, and yeah, just create. So if you want to support my channel, you can do that by going to Patreon. I will also, if you sign up, I will do my best to teach you how to paint. If you just want to support me, you can do that by going to, there's a link to buy me a coffee in the description, so, and on my channel. So, and also if you add me on Patreon, please also add me on Facebook, so I can communicate more directly with you. And I will also answer simple painting questions in comments. So feel free to ask questions, and I'll do my best to answer. I haven't got that many subscribers now, so that this time I can answer basically all questions and comments. So yeah, okay. With this, hope you enjoyed. Find a link to my prison story videos in the description and after this video. So stay cool, live well. Yeah, here you can see some of the brushwork up close. And there's some good things with this. You know, there's no smell, there's no turp, there's no oil. But it also has limitations. You can't paint over it, so with ordinary oil, so you can have it as a good basis. Remember the Patreon and buy me a coffee, and I hope to see you in my next video.